name Rue Johnson, alongside Exile the Brave. Whoa, yo, 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 yo.
What a thing.
I'm on the worry.
For real.
I'm on the trouble.
And we have faced it all over, my brethren.
Ay, 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 ay.
For the people of my body, man.
I'm on the worry.
Lord knows.
I'm on the trouble.
You see it?
Anywhere you go, it's the same cry. Money worries, money worries. Anywhere you go, it's the same cry. Money worries.
Where is the money?
Money worries.
Show me the money.
Don't have a comfortable place of rest.
So much people working and can't see no way. Business plans mash up, things put on the like. At the end of the month your bills no more than your pay. I see the rich, the mid class, the poor man a ball. Them a look, I wonder where the money gone. The country pull no public sector reform, but still nothing no work.
Anywhere you go, it's the same cry. Money worry.
The same thing, yeah, man.
Money worry.
Them a fight over money.
Anywhere you go, it's the same cry.
Over there, so.
Money worry.
And over there, so.
Money worry.
People are fuss over money, and them say money at the root of all evil. But when me check it out, it at the root of all people. When you start make it, don't make the money leave you. It comes slow but left quick like a speeding vehicle. So you want to start a business, make sure say you want profit. While you invest in something coming out of it. You want to spiritually and materially rich. So when you start hustle, them can't knock it.
Everyone would like to live happy, eating and wearing the best in life. But to really do so, my friends, money's the only problem. Yeah, anywhere you go, it's the same cry.
Same cry.
Money worry.
Right now, stop.
Money
Money
worry.
to make your pocket fat.